Hi, I'm Tara Klein with Vista Sotheby's International Realty in Manhattan Beach. Welcome to another one of my fabulous new listings, 2495 Glencoe Avenue in Venice, Los Angeles. Location, location, location. This charming Venice home has a large inviting front yard and sits on a corner lot on a beautiful tree-lined street. This is a great opportunity for an investor or an owner-user who is looking to reinvent, remodel, or rebuild. There are 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room, eat-in kitchen, and a detached garage behind the backyard. The current home has a good floor plan for the buyer who wants to design and remodel a home to their own taste. This prime Venice location is just a few miles from the beach and some of LA's most popular restaurants, neighborhoods, and designer shops. Thank you for viewing this video. If you have any questions about this house or any other houses, my contact information is at the end of the video.